In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of activating ESPN on Roku so you can enjoy NFL Live and all the exciting sports action directly on your TV. Step 1. Install the ESPN app on your Roku. Turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen. From the home screen, scroll down and select Streaming Channels. In the Streaming Channels menu, choose Search Channels. Type in ESPN using the on-screen keyboard and press OK. Select the ESPN app from the search results and click Add Channel to install it on your Roku. Step 2. Open the ESPN app on Roku. Once the ESPN app is installed, return to your home screen. Scroll through your list of channels and select the ESPN app to open it. The app will display an activation code on the screen. Make a note of this code as you'll need it in the next step. Step 3. Visit the ESPN activation website. On a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to the official ESPN activation page, www.espn.com. Activate. You'll be prompted to log in to your ESPN account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. After logging in, enter the activation code that appeared on your Roku screen into the designated field on the website. Click Submit to complete the activation process. Step 4. Complete the activation. Once the activation code is successfully entered, the ESPN app on your Roku will automatically refresh. After the refresh, you should be logged in and ready to stream. If the app doesn't refresh right away, try restarting your Roku device or checking your internet connection. Step 5. Start streaming NFL Live and more. With ESPN activated, open the ESPN app on Roku again. Browse through the available content to find NFL Live, live games, highlights, and more. Select the program you want to watch and enjoy streaming directly on your Roku TV. Troubleshooting tips. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure your Roku and the device you're using to enter the code are connected to the same network. Check for any updates. If you're having trouble, make sure your Roku software is up to date by going to Settings System Update. Double-check the activation code. If you mistyped the code, go back to the ESPN app on Roku to retrieve a new one. Restart the Roku device. If you experience any issues during activation, restarting your Roku can often help resolve the problem. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy NFL Live and other ESPN content on your Roku. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.